In this video, I'm going to teach you how to view your contact tier and marketing contact count in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot and then go to your settings, which is this gear icon onto the top. Now, once we're in there, next thing we need to do is to just set up our account for the billing and subscription. So in here, you can just find billing and subscription onto this case, but do take note that this one is actually the settings for your own HubSpot dashboard or for this particular workspace. So if you want, you can also head over and then search for the contact tier right here by clicking onto the search HubSpot and then searching right here for contact tiers. For this, head over to the contact properties. Now for this case, you can head over and see the contact properties that you currently have. You can also head over to the contact settings to see it from there. Once you're in this case, you can head over and see your current contact tier as well as the total included contacts available. You can also check the number of marketing contacts used and remaining. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.